Hello there, my Gowanda Middle School students. So, this is Mr. Swarzat. I am trying to do some mobile videos in my mobile classroom. Literally, this is my camper. So, I'm going to try doing some tutorials to hopefully help you with this toothpick bridge project. So, first things first, I hope everyone is healthy, happy, and not going too stir crazy. And I hope we're all doing our work and checking our Schoology and all our emails and everything like that. With that said, if you have any questions about any of this project, please email me at my school email address or through Schoology. My mobile hours are from 12 and 2. I should say my office hours are from 12 to 2 every day. I do check my emails a lot more than that, including weekends. So, first thing that I did was take an Amazon box that we had delivered, and I just kind of cut it up. I'm just using scissors for this. It seems to be the best. And I'm just cutting off a small section of the box, large enough to work for this project. At first, I'm going to start off with a larger section just so I have some extra room. So if we look here, you will see I just cut it off of a larger box. Now, you're going to need a ruler for this part. You're going to need scissors, and I recommend a Sharpie as well, or a highlighter, or something along those lines. When you're doing this, I recommend you using a pencil originally. In case you make a mistake, you can erase it. But I am just going to start using a Sharpie because I've done this a couple times. So I'm going to take this all off. And the first thing that you're going to want to do when you cut off your section is you're going to want to look for it for any edges. If you notice like this right here, you notice that sticks out a little bit further all the way down. My suggestion is to trim that as neatly as possible, and any other little frizzies or anything like that, any of the tape and stuff like that, just kind of clean that off. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to pause the video and do it since I'm using my cell phone, and I will show you when I'm done. So I have now cleaned up all the edges of the cardboard box. I'm also using your bridge building sheet, which came home in your packet. It is also available on Schoology. So if you look in your Chromebook and you go to Schoology, it is posted right there. It says bridge packet, just read, do not build yet. That was posted last week. I also have just this building sheet for the land also posted on there if you need to print it or whatever you may need to use it for just individually. So that is on there as well. So right now what you're going to want to do is, in my directions of the PowerPoint, you'll say you want to use the factory edges. And what I mean by that is the cardboard that was cut from the factory is traditionally your straightest edge. So you're going to start off measuring your width and your length. And if you look in your packet, you're going to see it is, let me try to clear that up a little bit. It is 35 centimeters long, and there it is. It is 15 centimeters wide. So that's what we're going to concentrate right now. We're just going to do the two outers. We're going to do the 15, and then we're going to do the 35. I'm using a ruler right here. This is the metric side, the millimeter centimeter side, and that's what we're going to use. The other side is inches, and we're not going to use the inches right now. According to my New York State standards, I need to cover metric and US customary, so we're going to start off with metric. So at this point, I'm going to pause this video because it's easier to upload, and I will do a part 2.